Was this like day 5 or some shit?
Day 4?
No, I think yesterday was like day 4. I'm fucking trying to put this shit back. I think it's like day 5. What we're working on, like we got everything together. We just gotta work on putting the turbo manifold in, downpipe on, put the serpentine belts on, and connect up all the wires, put fluid in there, and then we should be good. And then we should be able to start it. We put the spark plug in there, spark plugs, coolant, the radiator in. Come on for it. Put the radiator in, and then should be good to go either by tonight or tomorrow morning. So we'll see. Today's a short video. I'll probably go into the other 3 videos that I recorded. But what we did was we got the turbo set up, transferred over. So all the other lines off the other turbo, we got it transfer over onto the FP Black with the SYP exhaust manifold. And we got the turbo set up on completely. The AC, power steering, all that stuff is on. We got the fuel rail in, the stock injectors for now, just for startup. Throttle cable, all that stuff's installed. Slave cylinder for the clutch installed. So tomorrow all we got to do is jack it up, connect up the I don't know if you guys can see it in the dark, connect up the lines for the oil cooler, and then run the line down here for the oil feed on the turbo, because it got replaced from right here. It couldn't run backwards, so it has to run forwards, so we had to move that over a little bit. So we're gonna run it down and around for the oil feed line. Hopefully, you know, should have enough oil pressure to get oil there. Also, we got the valve cover painted along with the strut tower bar, so it should look cleaner underneath the engine bay. Honestly, I like the pearl in it. He should have painted the entire engine bay with this pearl instead of this whatever he used, and this shit look like fucking plastic dip. I don't know, whatever he put on there, but this does look clean. The 4 cleanest things in the engine bay will be like right here. So this will be like the main focus once you open the engine bay, I guess. But it's coming together, man. Probably tomorrow I'll do the startup and then first drive, and then everything should be good from there. I can stop lending this dude my Sentra. He can drive his own car. He'll gotta be like, yo, Dre, you going to work today? No, I ain't going to work today, man. Find your own ride. But that'll be it. Appreciate y'all. Peace.
I got 100 on the gas, 20 more in the tank. My legend status been solidified. Drop topping back when niggas couldn't get a ride. We not the same and they mad that I'm well aware. Basking it, I'm the shit, niggas smell the air. I'm globe trotting my check.